Watch this video and learn how to draw a pufferfish in the ocean.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. You seem very happy.
Yeah.
Are you ready to make some art?
No,
No? You don't want to make art?
no one to make art.
Oh, no. Are you kidding, Artie?
Just kidding.
Oh, Artie.
I joke.
I thought so. I know you love art.
Artie loves art.
Yes, you do. Okay, let's do a drawing.
Okay.
Greetings, Artie!
What's up, Artie?
Are you ready to draw a pufferfish, Artie?
Yeah.
This'll be fun. I know you love fish.
What a fantastic day it is to do some art!
Every day's a fantastic day to do art.
Let's start by drawing our pufferfish's eyes. Draw a large circle in the middle of the paper, but on the left side. That's going to be the left eye. You don't have to draw the circle in one go. You can do it in sections. It's easier that way. Did you know that, Artie?
Okay.
Now let's draw the right eye. Another circle just slightly hidden behind the first one. Now let's draw two much smaller circles inside the first ones, and we'll shade the new circles in black. If Artie's going a little bit too quick for you, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw a C shape underneath the left eye. Start from the eye, come on down and around. Now let's draw a much bigger curve from the bottom of the C. That's it, Artie. Continue the curve a little bit higher. There you go. Now let's draw some little fins on the underside of our pufferfish's body. Just draw little triangles. Let's do 5. 1, 2, 3. That's good. 4. One more, Artie. 5.
Can you tell what it is, little artists?
I can't tell.
Let's draw the right cheek of our fish. Start from the eye, come on round, and now he has 2 cheeks. Let's do a fin coming from the side of the right cheek. Draw 5 little half circles, a little bit like fingers. Let's give our pufferfish some lips. We're going to draw a heart, but sideways. Draw a line across from the left to the right. And another. Now it looks like he's blowing us a kiss. Mwah!
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat.
Now, Artie, let's draw the top of his head. Start from the left eye and come all the way around, creating a sort of big circle. Leave a little space for his tail.
Oh, that's right.
Dance break? You want a dance break, Artie? What a great idea. Go on then. It's dance break time.
Betty, do you know what time it is?
Dance break
time!
Every once in a while, the dancer comes and... what? Get on with it? Okay. 10!
That was a great dance break, Artie. You must be exhausted. Come on, let's carry on and finish this drawing of a pufferfish. Let's draw a line from his fin all the way through the gap we made, and then we'll draw the tail. Draw a couple of lines in the tail, Artie, just to give it some detail.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Let's draw some spiky fins on the top of his body. Let's do 7 this time. Upside down V's. 1, 2, 3. That's 4. 5. 2 more. 6. 7. Well done, Artie. Let's keep going and draw lots of upside down V's inside his body. Let's also do some at the bottom, Artie. This time, though, the V's will be the correct way round. V, V, another V, another V. Oh, now the V's are sideways. Oh, good idea, Artie. Let's add a fin to the left side as well.
That looks amazing.
So incredible.
A little bit more detail to the right fin. Now, what else could we add just to make this drawing complete? Oh, that's right, Artie. Let's draw some waves as if the ocean is swirling around our pufferfish. That looks much better. You finished? Great job, Artie. He looks really good. I'm not sure what colours you're going to use, but this will be interesting. Let's go and colour it in.
It's time to color in.
Wow, Artie, he came out so good. I love how you did orange at the top half of his body and yellow at the bottom. And you gave him beautiful blue eyes. What a wonderful drawing, Artie.
Man, what a great day. I can't wait till tomorrow.
Tomorrow's going to be another great day.
Thanks for watching, little artist. Have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.